क्या हाल है भाई सबके। वेलकम टू द लेटेस्ट वीडियो। इसमें हम अगेन प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू करेंगे। ये हमारी कैश का वीडियो होती है, इससे हमें बहुत सारे व्यूज आते हैं इसलिए हम बनाते हैं। Today we are going to open up that tweet again and we'll search for good projects. देखेंगे क्या projects stand out करते हैं, क्या वो लोग better कर सकते हैं, क्या लोगों ने बनाया। I love checking out other people's work, what people are working on, और मेरे को भी काफी motivation मिलता है उससे, और ideas stem होते हैं, और the person gets something in return as well. They get a review from the UI perspective at least, or from the UX perspective as well. थोड़ा बहुत आपको भी मिल जाएगा, थोड़ा eyeballs में भी 10-15 people would see it, would make more sense. But awesome, let's move right into the video. And this is the tweet that I'm talking about. I'll post one again. Maybe I should do it right now, or maybe not. Let's see. अभी तो इस पे देखते हैं. Okay, Quizify the way you learn. Let's pick this one. Quizify.site. Let's see what it is about. Load slow. First feedback, it's slow. It's loading really slow. Second, the UI can be a lot better. I don't know. This is not the video aspect ratio. It should be aspect square maybe, or aspect ratio 16:9 होता है वैसे तो for videos I'm assuming, but square करोगे तो 1 भी हो सकता है, but ये h-full width-full में नहीं भाई, नहीं बैठ रहा. Again, fix the aspect ratio for this. And what is it about? AI powered learning, Quizify your learnings. Enter any topic to get instant personalized quizzes and receive daily analytics to enhance your learning. Cool. Let's see what it is about. Muted है तो भाई autoplay डाल दो वीडियो, और बहुत स्लो है भाई. I'm just going to get started. Why do you need my sign in though? Quizify your learning. Enter any topic. Okay, what you're going to do is, okay, let's give it a try. ये hide कर देना भाई ये screen.
आप भी ठीक करके देता हूँ.
I'm signing in with Google. Signed in successfully. Enter the topic. Okay, I want medium questions on JavaScript interviews. Let's see. क्या quizzes आते हैं मेरे पास. It's a good way to practice though, I'd say. इसको थोड़ा zoom in कर लेते हैं. Not sure if you're able to see, but yeah. 0 quizzes ही left है मेरे. Okay, where is the quiz? Okay, I need some loader bro. उसके लिए loader चाहिए होगा. Which component is primarily responsible for parsing, compiling and executing JavaScript code? JavaScript engine, green है तो सही है. Okay, runtime. Okay, that is not a medium question. What type of typing does JavaScript use? Weak typing, dynamic typing, I don't know. I don't give two shits. What is the purpose of this keyword in JavaScript? The super keyword, the this keyword, the prototype property, the new operator. This question doesn't make sense to me. I think you can improve on the questions. Take more real world interview questions, train your model on that. What mechanism does JavaScript use to determine the scope of variable? Closures? I don't know. What is the primary use case for promises in JavaScript? Asynchronous operations. Which component is responsible for handling and managing asynchronous tasks? Which component is responsible? तो event loop तो पूरा होता है, तो एक के बाद एक चीज़ें डालता है उसमें call stack में वगैरह. I think it is web APIs होते हैं, एक तो कॉल स्टैक होता है, इवेंट लूप होता है. कॉल स्टैक में तो जो एग्जीक्यूट होने वाला एसिंक्रोनस टास्क को हम कहीं और रखते हैं. नो, आई जस्ट टेक अ वाइल्ड गेस. इवेंट लूप तो पूरा मैकेनिज्म नहीं हो गया, बट ओके. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस डज जावास्क्रिप्ट हैव? प्रोटोटाइपिकल इनहेरिटेंस. व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ क्लोजर्स इन जावास्क्रिप्ट? वे टू क्रिएट प्राइवेट वेरिएबल्स एंड टाइप ऑफ लूप. वे टू बिल्ट इन जावास्क्रिप्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. अ वे टू क्रिएट. द पर्पस ऑफ क्लोजर्स इज टू give context to variables. Actually, I don't know if that's the correct one, but yeah. Which methods are commonly used for converting JavaScript to JSON? JSON.stringify, JSON.parse. It was not a medium. What does the term DOM manipulation refer in context of JavaScript? This is totally AI generated. Makes no sense. The problem with that is the questions are way too easy, and I don't think these are real world interview questions. I think it is okay. UI wise, it can be improved tons. मतलब इसमें बहुत scope है. Everything is off right now. Good idea though. You can iterate on the idea, make the UI really good, make the questions का database bank really good, and you can pivot it to quizzes for interviews. So that will, I think, work for you, but this requires a lot of effort for now. Okay, timeline your personal productivity suite. Sweet होता है guys. Oh, I like the landing. Your personal productivity suite. Manage tasks, organize links, take notes, and track time all in one place. Join 250 plus users. Optimizing बहुत heavy है भाई. I won't recommend going with this pulse effect that you have here. Rather keep it there, because if I want to log in, I'll eventually log in. Okay, task 1, task 2, task 3. Oh, this is nice. लग रहा होगा तुम्हारा इस पे कुछ. Good. ये अच्छा है. Set is a globe you have. Okay, this goes off. Improve on the. Okay, what is every time I scroll, it is changing at 60 FPS. I'm assuming. I think you don't need that at all. इतना नहीं चाहिए. But yeah, let's get started. Let's give it a try. I'll log in with Google. I'll log in with this account. See how it goes. Okay, no notifications. Okay, organize your bookmarks easily. To-dos. Okay, let's say I want to add a to-do. That's too much. Ek to-do ke liye you don't need a page, separate page. To-dos should be done there and then itself. Check linear, for example. Everything is in one place. Drink tea. Command enter should work. Command enter should work. Accessibility matters. Add to do added successfully. Okay, now if I go back, how do I manage to dos from here? Because should be a screen. All of this is confusing for me. I don't know what it does. You're prompting me to use chat scene, bro. इसके लिए एक chat scene use कर लो. What is this? Chat with what? AI assistant. Okay. What was my latest to do? Large language model. I don't have. Okay. Doesn't have context access to what I just did. I think if you give it that, it'll make more sense. Right now, I don't know what it does. You have some UI elements going on. Day scheduler. Okay, you have many projects in here. I don't want notifications. Start. Okay, you have a set of tools lined up in a project. I don't know if people use it. I have a separate app for everything. First, I don't use Pomodoros, but even if people use, that is generally on this tab or a new tab. This Kanban board will show my to-do list, but where are my to-dos? I started one to-do, right? Should I refresh? Quick access, to-dos. There is my to-do, right? So where do I see it here? And how do I go back from to-dos here to back to this page without clicking here? For example, this is nice. I think this is sidebar from Eternity. Yeah, not sure. Probably, I don't know. But yeah, chat scene maybe. But okay, I don't see my to-dos. Command K. Have Command K. If okay, what the fuck? So there are lots of scope. You see, right? When I'm a new user, I'm experiencing your website. I don't know what to do. Number one. Number two, everything is everywhere. Doesn't make sense to have everything everywhere. Have designated places for each and everything. If at all you're making a collaborator or curator tool, so uske liye I think you'll have separate tabs for this, because this is a quick access page that you have, but I don't know what quick access does. Hi there. Can you hear my voice? Okay, transcript is going on. I cannot find my to-dos. Please save me. Cool. Is this saved? Or I have to click this. Rarely people see it here. Have some UI clue here. For example, if you're doing some task over here, and if the acceptance or rejection of that task takes me to here on top right, that is probably a bad idea. You should show me something here in the button itself. Processing, saving, and then saved. Because my context is here for now. Everywhere your UI is everywhere in the place. My context is just this voice note wala. And if you can have some visual indicator going on that tells me कि भाई यहाँ देखना है, that would make more sense. यहाँ पे मैं rarely जाऊँगा. For example, saved notes में मैं जाऊँ. Note history इधर है. Where is my saved data here? I don't know. That you need to work on better. Otherwise, we've put in a lot of work in this. That is commendable. Great work. Great work by Vishal. Vishal bhai, really good, really nice. Daddy design देखेंगे. Daddy design I'll probably view Dhruvin. So Dhruvin works with me at Eternity also. We design a lot of things, build a lot of things. I think I can do daddy design right now. It is pretty cool because Dhruvin has got a lot of components over here. For example, this was, I think I've seen it in peer list ka challenge. This is a really good design. Got a set of ad hoc designs for all the components. If you see this swipeable sheet, open, it opens and it is swipeable. It is super slick, super nice. And the website itself is really nice. So Dhruvin is a designer and a developer by profession, and his work is commendable. So you see the subtle, इसको नीचे जो दिख रहे हो ना, इसको progressive blur बोलते हैं. That suits really well at the header or at the footer. Dhruvin has it at the footer. For example, if you see all components, or if I say Command K, for example, Command K, this opens up. And this is a really nice usage of framer motion. You can just expand and, collapse things really easily. And for example, if I want to see animated testimonials, Dhruvin has got this really nice component of animated testimonials. Only thing I would suggest here is having keyboard controls. And if the button shifts, for example, this shifts up, I have to move the mouse up. I won't want that. I want to stay here all times so that it is easier. But this looks really good. Really clean design. Daddy.design, by the way. We've got more GUI menu. So GUI menu is using SVG filters for this, or SVGs in general. Or let's say if I have this way lined up, this is also nice. Looks super slick. You see, a really nice component for your maybe navigation items. What else do you have? Okay, dynamic scroll island. So once you scroll, you'll give this nice, loader or progress at the top, which is super cool, super nice. I really like this one. Lots of cool components. I think Dhruvin is coming with more design. I think I love this effect as well. So if you see this one, see how we pulled it off. Really nice. Click me. I think that's why I think I have this as well. Transaction safe. I think we have this as well. Again, cool component library. I think he's adding it, and you can just do this all day long. Really cool website, Dhruvin. I'll probably review it in the live as well. Fight Club Tribute made a reel about it. Okay, RTR has 20 minutes recipes. What is it about? एक बनता है 20 minutes में. Okay, fix this. You see what I'm talking about? Have to have a max width for your content so that it doesn't zoom out that much. So cook delicious meals in just 20 minutes. Okay, quick healthy recipes using ingredients. Okay, cool. No time to cook. Okay, yeah, grab the deal. Let's see. Let's click your CTA. Takes a lot of time. Okay. And are you using AI for it, or let's say you have time low to high? Yeah, low to high is nice filter. Like if I'm very gym freak kind of a person, I would yogurt bowl. क्या चाहिए इसमें भाई? This is a really nice. I think this would make a really good application, because this is not tech, a tech website. And if there is an app for this, if I have my ingredients in front of me and I wanted to make a recipe out of it, I just have to scan the food items and then it just suggests me kya food items I can, kya recipe I can make out of it, or kya delicious dish maybe I can, quickly cook with that. I think that will make a great product. Just scan through and just tell me healthy things that I could eat. Okay, this is the description. Or you can just feed in this description to AI, create a video out of it, and just post it on a reel. Grow your Instagram channel that way. Or just if you want to see a how-to reel on how to create delicious recipes with something, I think that might make a lot of sense. But yeah, design wise, yeah, I mean, okay, skeuomorphism, if you're using, make your website entirely that. This stands out because this is skeuomorphic, dark, very bold borders and box shadow. ये बहुत stand out कर रहा है आपके बाकी के design से. This is not MX Auto, by the way. Fix that. I mean, landing can use a lot of love right there. Cool, great. Nonetheless, RTR. Okay, uptime beats. I think I would love to talk what Anuj is doing. Uptime monitoring and status pages without breaking the bank. Okay, that is, I think, something like that shows if your website is up or not. How they can do it is they can ping my server every 10 minutes, every 1 minute, depending upon their criterias. And it'll tell the status page if the website is up. Agar ping dal rahe or response aa raha hai udhar se, means the website is up. Uptime monitoring and status pages without breaking the bank. Monitor your website servers and APIs 24/7. Get instant downtime, alerts, and build trust with beautiful status pages. Cool. That makes a lot of sense. I'm yet to use. How are you giving it one time? Up to 10 monitors of 60-second frequency. Cool. HTTP ping, SSL domain monitors, 6 region HTTP monitoring, email, Discord. Cool. But how are you giving it for? तो आपकी सर्वर कॉस्ट तो बढ़ रहा है ना. मतलब एक बार लगा के मैं छोड़ दूंगा तो आप लाइफ टाइम मेरे सर्वर को पिंग करोगे. Will it be suffice for you to do it in a 99? Okay, you have a free month plan as well. No login seats. Okay, I'd love to try it out. Get started for free. Cool. I will definitely do it with my primary account. Hide it.
भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का.
Cool. Looks professional. Really nice looking website. I would definitely love to give it a try. New monitor. Okay. Monitor website and API endpoints. Ping monitor server availability using IP address. HTTP monitoring I'll do. Monitor name Eternity's website uptime, I'd say. Or I'll do ui.eternity.com and Eternity UIs. Cool. I'll ping it 1 minute. 1 minute is not available. I think in the free plan 5 minutes is the duration. Cool. Start monitoring. Valid enum and expected. Okay, better error messages, I guess. Invalid enum. I won't expect you to send me invalid enum, even though I'm a tech guy. So yeah, I think you can work on that. Monitor location. Okay, one location. Nicely priced also. Whatever you're doing here is the perfect way to, give out free data. For example, अगर आप मेरे को free दे रहे हो, uptime monitoring, you have some rules right there. 5 minute ही दे रहे हो, एक ही website दे रहे हो, maybe एक ही region दे रहे हो. ये सारी चीजें if you're giving, that's best for me to try it out. If it works, I'm definitely going to pay for it. Okay, monitoring is started. It is up. Online up. Cool. One monitors. I think it should give me a status page as well. Status pages are here. No status pages. Yes. Create a status page. Name status page. Eternity. UIs. Uptime. Status page. Okay. This logo link. HTTPS. ui.eternity.com. I think Eternity UI. IU. Logo.png है क्या? Okay, it is there. Cool. Uptime beats file. This favicon. I think ICO and the favicon as well. After creating that, you'll be able to find create a status page. Let's do it. Super nice UX. Now let's see. If I have this and I'll check it here, let's see what I get. Okay, not really, but okay. Status update services. Okay, I think I'll have to do something over here. Uptime status page, name, logo, click destination URL. Okay, I can just update it. Okay, give me some feedback here. Monitors. Okay, choose which monitors to show on your page. I think I have already added a monitor. Choose which monitors to show on your status. So you can drag them around, change their order, add section. Okay, not this. Primary search services. H20. Okay, cool. Save changes. I'll go here and I'll refresh. Cool. You see the status page, right? That's what I'm talking about. It looks really good. Really good work by Anuj, Dubey, uptime monitoring services. Great. I think I'd definitely use it. What I can do is I can generally do something like status.eternity.com, which points to this. I think they have a service for this as well. If I can integrate it or, add my website subdomain for this, I can go to ui.eternity.com, go to the footer, add a status page here which shows if the website is up or not, and you can just go here and check the status. 100% uptime for now. Cool, which is really good. There are many other monitoring services like there, but this one is really nice. I think Anuj has done a great job with uptime. Beats, which is a really nice product. Explains really well. I'll just go through the landing once. Since I'm familiar with uptime, what monitoring is, status page monitoring or uptime API checkings are, I know what it was about, but landing pretty much conveys it to all the users. Oh, cool, Eternity. Nice one. Cool. Acha. I'll probably add it to Eternity showcase page as well. I think this thing is there. Okay, I'm not able to see the background, which is really nice. Okay, this is cool. All good, bro. Great work on the landing. I think I really like about the platform is the UX of it. It's really simple to navigate, really easy to add monitoring, add status page. It was like hardly a minute for me to figure out, and another minute to just add links and be done with it. I can do it for all the services as well, and it'll give me a really nice status page when I can check all the uptimes. Really nice. Good work. Great work actually by Anuj. Cool. What else? Portfolio. Wow, lot to digest. Okay, again, Eternity, but something feels off. Color contrasting feels off. You don't need this, bro. If you're having skills, just keep it simple. I'll tell you what a great portfolio website looks like, and I tried to make it that way as well. Pro.eternity. Go to templates. Go to minimal portfolio website template. See, everything is centered, everything is very small and to the point, discusses what you're building and talks directly about your projects. Now, problem with Akash's portfolio is, where are the projects? Or experience to theek hai, tell me what you built there. Skills, hardly anyone is going to notice that. Most important thing is your work. Usse aapki tech skills pata chal jati hai generally. But the main goal of your portfolio website is to sell yourself as a developer or as a freelancer. These two things you have to nail. Everything else is a distraction. All of this is a distraction. I would say just focus on your experience or your projects. If you don't have them, start building them. That is what will get you a job. This is really nice. I think this is really greatly done. I think ये instant AI component है भाई. खुद की ही तारीफ करता रहूँगा. But yeah, Akash sir, work on your color contrast. I think if you have this lamp, you probably want to have a better color choices for this lamp. Maybe a damp black would do. I don't know. But yeah, वो कर सकते हैं. Cool. What next? AI voice agents that make your customers fall in love. That looks interesting. Okay. The guy didn't have an OG image, so he pasted this photo. Great hack, I'd say. Okay, scale. Oh, this looks nice. Scale your sales processes without hiring more SDRs. Okay, AI voice agents call every lead within seconds to qualify interest and deliver only warm sales-ready prospects to it. Landing looks super nice. Abhi maine close kiya nahi, so you're giving me a pop-up, which is irritating to some people. I do not generally find it irritating, but it can be annoying if every other website starts doing it. So maybe that's our team's decision on how to proceed with that. But cool. Nice landing. I get to see I can create a new agent, support agent. I think that automatically calls your leads again, like you told in your description. Super nice. The traditional way, some loss that you're projecting, and the new way is your pros. Makes sense. This is your how to. Lead submits, AI calls instantly, qualify indicate, book qualified calls. Cool. Nice. This is nice. Why you should have it is because it tells me ki this takes an hour and this takes like 3 minutes. That's where selling happens. That's nicely done here. Cool. This is the... Okay. Load your images faster, bro. That's the only feedback I have. Okay. 49 per month. 25 credits. Cool. Really nice landing that you have there. Cool, it is like really polished. I'm not sure if it's an indie product or the Twitter पे देख के पता चलेगा. Who's building Godok? Okay, if you're following yourself, probably you're only building. Cool. Looks really slick, bro. I think this is an enterprise grade landing that you have. Really nice. Simple, to the point, how it works, products, what all products you have. But this is good. I believe your login page is also good. Oh, this is nice. This is super nice. I like the background. I think I'll take a screenshot of this. Looks really nice. Really nice. And you have, I guess, intercom or powered by called. Okay, this is yours only. I'm not sure if this is your application, but it is looking really professional, really out of the box. Super slick animations, tasteful animations. Why I tell you simple, what do you call it, man? I forgot the name of it. Entry animations look super nice, straight. और ये अच्छा दिखता है इससे. This is nice, bro. Great work on the landing, and I'm sure your product is crazy good as well. I'd have tried it, but I'm tired of logging in again and again. Cool, let's move on to the next one. This is interesting. Versal.app. Chew dalte ho londo. Do not use Versal.app. If you are serious about your project, do not use Versal.app. Have a domain. Get any domain. Kirat, Amrit, Aman, Raul. Transform any video into a blog post, thread or newsletter in seconds. Now if I remove the box shadow for one of it, let's say. Okay, opacity 1. Which one is it? This, right? Where is the shadow? Drop shadow. I want to lose the drop shadow. This looks way better. So if you remove the drop shadows from this, it'll look way better and way cleaner. Shadows in the hero should be subtle. This looks really good. Whatever you have right here looks really good. Start curating. Okay, nice landing. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. This is from Cursor, I guess. Looks pretty sleek. बहुत अच्छा landing है. This deserves a domain of its own. I don't know why you don't have it with yourself right now, but this looks really good. The dark mode is a bit late, but it is nice. Cool. Again, paste link and get high quality tweet threads instantly. Paste link and our AI gives you a high quality Twitter thread in your voice. So this is super nice if it can pull it off. How it works. Sign up in Access dashboard. Okay. Paste a YouTube link. Add video source. Generate high quality. Okay. I'll definitely give it a try. Okay. This is fucked up in dark mode. Start curating. I'm not going to do that. Definitely not going to do that. Can't give my Twitter access, bro. How to? Not going to sign in. Definitely not going to sign in through Twitter. Why do you want my Twitter? You should have a demo video for this, I guess, somewhere. But I could at least see how it works, because not everyone is going to be comfortable. For example, I'm not comfortable giving my Twitter access to a Versal.app website. The other thing, if I don't have access, I would at least want to try how it looks or how it feels through a video. You should have a video right here, and that will help you convert better. For example, abhi main ye chhod ke chala jaunga. You should have some other mechanism in place as well, so that at least the user gets to know about your product, even if you're not allowing him to check it themselves. तो एक video link इधर हो तो better है. Otherwise, तो भाई I'm off. But this landing looks good, bro. Landing is nice. One suggestion is get a domain. I'm being honest, I don't know how secure this is, if I should do it or not. But it is what it is. Cool. I want to review one more website. It's called astitch.com. You should go here and sold out है तो डाल की रखी है. You should buy t-shirts from here, bro. काफी अच्छी website है, काफी अच्छी t-shirts. For example, TSIGNO t-shirt is my absolute favorite. Right now we have it in stock. We have ordered another lot. Ye wala is almost out. This is the second stock that we are selling, going out really fast. So if you happen to visit on this website, do give it a try. Really good designs, and you'll love it. Cool. Move on to the next one. Software development. Oh, I like this. I really like this design idea. Really love it. I really love this. Oof. I don't know if it is taught by someone, but this is again like the leaky code design which Hitesh sir has one of his websites, I think chaycode.com. I really like how structured it is, how everything is so spaced correctly. So white spacing and correct spacing and the use of grids, it makes a really nice portfolio website. This is super nice. I really love it. I might just use this template and start, adding my content to it and open source it. Even though people don't look at it, but this still looks tasteful. Again, blogs, correctly spaced. Everything is so neatly spaced out. Really nice work there. Experienced senior front end. Obviously, you are a senior because I see the craft, I see the finesse and details into the website, and really nice. Everything's just so beautiful, man. Freelance, nice. Projects. Okay, projects are down below. I'm not sure if this person is looking for freelance work or not, but if it is a person who's looking for freelance work, I think projects should come on top. Otherwise, this is nice as well. You see this so nicely lined up, and this deserves a star. Definitely a great website. I recommend using this if you have an open source portfolio website, or if you want to construct your own portfolio website. Use this. Oh, you're from Vietnam? We are visiting Vietnam this December. Let's meet. Cool, great work, by the way. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think you should have an audio right next to it. I'm not even going to butcher your name. I'm sorry. But great work on the website. Components. Collection of reusable components. Cool. Like I say to every other person, if you want to project yourself as a design engineer or someone looking to add traffic to your website, this is what you should do. Components. And this is a table component that he has. And he has the installation instruction as well. He, she, they, whatever. So React wheel picker. Okay, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. Scroll works, by the way. Open in V0. Perfect. Just perfect. Again, theme switcher, they have it here. Simple. Really simple. Writing effect inspired by... Oh, this is nice. Can I pass in my... Okay, how do I use it? Apple Hello English effect. Okay, that is the Apple effect that you have. What if I want to pass in my text and it converts it to that? I think you're animating SVG. Yeah, but that SVG is static, right? It'll always be hello. What if I want the user to pass in some text that it can animate like that? Do you have anything for that? If you have, that'll be crazy good. Difolio, I think this is called Difolio, which is great portfolio. Okay, so we're ending the video at a portfolio website followed by Shadsi. Follows me as well because you're a great engineer, bro. You deserve it. Still can't believe such an honor. Definitely. Also follow you. Might as well learn a few things from you. Cool. Where is your Twitter? How can I reach out to you? Is this your Twitter? Cool. Definitely. Great work. Great work, man. I love it. I absolutely love it. I mean, I could talk about this website for hours at end and why it works, why it'll get you traction, why Shadsian follows this guy or girl, why this just works out of the box. I can talk about it for hours. White spaces, correct spacing, correct grids, correct tasteful components, reusable, open in V0. Everything is in place. Everything is right there in front of you. Tasteful blogs, helps, provides value. You know, everything is really nice, super slick. That is why I love portfolio websites like these. And you should build one too. Cool. I think we'll wrap up the video at this point, at a very good point in the video. I hope you learned a bit or two about what an end user expects from you at the end of the day. And I hope you'll sub in more. I think I'll probably add another tweet wherein I say drop in your projects because ये वाला पुराना हो गया. I don't know if people have access to it. But right now what I'll do is I'll create another video on portfolio reviews, or next one may I'll tweet it right now in front of you. Okay, I'll do it. All right. What I'll do is I'll write going to record another portfolio or project review video on my channel. Drop in your projects. Cool. If you want me to review them, enter. Chalo. Now you know where to comment when this video will be out. Probably this tweet will be out as well. Abhi ye kar raha hai, pata nahi kab karega bhai. But again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. बहुत सारा अच्छा content आने वाला आगे. I'm pretty sure you'll love the Tailwind series. Going to put my heart into it. I'll explain all the nuances which are there with Tailwind, and I hope you enjoyed that series as well. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, Jai Hind, bye. बहुत सारा काम करो, बहुत सारी पढ़ाई करो, talk to a lot of people, work a lot on your side projects, create great projects, and talk about it. And I'll see you in the next one.